Good morning, students and teachers. Today I have come here to talk about a problem that affects us all, managing mental health in a competitive environment. In the pursuit of perfection, we often find ourselves chasing expectations, deadlines, and trials. Although academic rigor is important, it is equally important to prioritize our mental health in this process. It's a strength that can come in many forms, whether from friends, family, or even the burden of our own needs. The constant pursuit of perfection can lead to stress and anxiety that, if ignored, can damage our minds. So, how do we do this work without losing our balance? Resilience is about adapting and recovering when faced with these challenges, not avoiding stress altogether. He must accept that the decline is inevitable but only temporary. Building strength requires developing a mindset, the belief that we can improve our abilities through dedication and hard work. By redefining challenges as opportunities for growth, we can build the resilience needed to protect education. Learning how to prioritize and use your time effectively can reduce stress. Create a realistic schedule that allows you to learn, to work, and rest. Remember, the important thing is to work hard. The important thing is not to work hard but to work smart. Break large tasks into small manageable parts and fix them step by step. This will not only keep you from stressing out but will also lead to success when you achieve your goals. In a busy academic life, it is easy to neglect our physical and mental health. However, personal care is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Make time for activities that stimulate your mind and body, such as exercise, meditation, or simply spending time with the people you love. Remember, a well-rested mind is powerful. If you're worried, call a friend, family member, or a mental health professional right away. You are not alone in this journey, and there is no shame in asking for help. Surround yourself with support network that supports and encourages you, and don't be afraid to lean on them during difficult times. In a competitive environment, it is easy to equate failure with success. However, failure is not the opposite of success. It is the stepping stone to success. Accept failure as a part of your learning process and use it as an opportunity to reflect, learn, and grow. Finally, remember to keep perspective. While academic success is important, it is not the sole determinant of your worth or future prospects. It is not your value as a person goes far beyond your grades or achievements. Take time to explore your interests, hobbies, and interests outside of education. Create a sense of purpose that transcends notions of success and aligns with your passions and values. Thank you.